DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Trump media is sitting at $24.15, 13% up for the day. When I'm looking at DJT, just an overall melting stage, honestly, like, even though it's like 13% up, you know, that's some, I mean, 13% is good, like, don't get me wrong, you know, it's all good and stuff, but the real sauce really comes after we start seeing double breaks on the daily chart, and that's pretty far from where we are right now. Is it pretty far? I mean, it's at 29 bucks, now we're at 24. The price just simply needs to go up an additional like 20% or so, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for it, of course. Still gonna see here, sometimes it's boring, but what can you do? This is still how the price gonna that's what I'm gonna be waiting. If I see double breaks only, then I'll be taking it higher. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one.